Hey everyone, if you want to add captions in HeyGen in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to add subtitles, customize their appearance, and export videos with captions step by step. First, captions make your videos easier to understand and improve viewer engagement. They're also great for accessibility and social media platforms where many people watch videos without sound. Next, sign into your HeyGen account and open the project you want to edit. Yeah, captions can be added directly inside AI Studio. Now look at the right side toolbar and turn on the captions option. This automatically generates subtitles based on your script. If needed, click on the caption text and make corrections, so any changes you make will appear in the final video. You can change the font, size, color, and position of the captions. Yeah, this helps match the style of your brand or content. Move the captions to the top, center, or bottom of the screen. Placing them correctly helps prevent important visuals from being covered. Play the preview to make sure the captions are synchronized with the voice. This lets you catch any mistakes before exporting. When everything looks good, click Generate, so HeyGen will render the video with the captions included. After rendering is complete, click Download to save your caption video. Yeah, you can upload it directly to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or other platforms. Some workflows also support exporting subtitle files such as SRT or VTT. These files can be uploaded separately to supported platforms, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to add captions in HeyGen in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.